Okay, I'll stop being weird. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. As you guys can see, this is a makeup inspired look by Toy Story 4. We are going to watch that today, and this is the makeup that I created. If you like it, then just continue watching. Alright guys, so I went ahead and already did my eyebrows, my face, and yes, that's Noed back there. He didn't want to stay in the living room, so don't mind him. I'm going to add a little bit more foundation. You know what I've noticed? I've noticed that, I'm not sure if it's with due to my pregnancy, but I'm getting freckles. It's so weird. When I take off all my makeup and I like look really close, I had like these little spots, and I was like, oh my god. I was like, what is that? And then I was like, wait, that looks like freckles. See, that's why I'm putting a little bit more foundation on here. And the foundation that I'm using, it's both the Colourpop and the Fit Me. But anyways, and of course I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape. My face has been so dry. Oh my god. Like my nose right here, I hate how it looks like close up. It just looks like it's like peeling. Oh, and don't think I'm like not wearing anything. I am. Look. Let's move on to contouring. I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild makeup stick. I've actually been loving this. I just feel like I need to get like a warmer one, because I feel like this one's a little bit too orangey, but I can work with it. Mommy! Okay. And I feel like it blends really good too. Alrighty. I'm not even talking and I'm like, I feel short of breath. Now I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild contouring palette. It's been used a lot, so you can tell I need a new one. Alright, now I'm gonna go in with... So I ran out of my Laura Mercier powder. How I feel about it, but this is all I got right now, and it's the Maybelline New Master Fix loose powder. Okay, so now for my eyes, I'm gonna use different palettes just because I don't have all the colors in one palette. For the colors, I'm gonna go in with red and blue and yellow for Woody. So I'm gonna start off with my Morphe palette, this one right here, with this one right here. I'm gonna go in with the BH Cosmetics First Edition, and I'm gonna get this color right here. Look at how red that is, y'all. So red. So with this color, since it's really bright and I already have my foundation on, I'm going to try to obviously blow off the excess and dab it on as gently as possible, just because I don't want any fallout, which I'm sure there will be, but I don't want as much. And then I just keep applying just to build up that color. It's going to look crazy at first, but I promise it'll look nice. Okay, so now to kind of blend this top area here, and just use like the light color I went in with first to blend that out. It looks crazy right now, but like, trust the process. It'll look better once all the colors are on, and then you can blend a little bit more towards the end. So the next color we're going to use is yellow, but before we apply that yellow, I'm going to use a little bit of concealer and kind of cut my crease just towards the middle here. And to cut my crease, obviously go in with my Shape Tape. and then look up. Okay, and after doing that part, I'm gonna go in back to the BH Cosmetics palette and use the yellow right here. Sorry, my camera just like shut off on me, but on top of the yellow I added this like highlighter yellow here from the Laura Lee Party Animal palette. Now I'm gonna add the blue, and it's gonna be this blue right here. You see that? Okay, so now I'm gonna go back in with this yellow here to kind of help the blending. I feel like I need to enhance the red just a little bit more, so I'm gonna go in with some more red. So I'm gonna work on under my eye now. Okay, I'm gonna apply my lashes and then I'll be right back. Okay, lashes are on. They're just, the glue is just still drying. I don't mind the white spots. But anyways, I'm gonna add some blush and my highlight really quick. I'll be using my baked powder blush from Milani. It's this one right here. And then for the highlight, I'm going to use Artist Couture. And since my eyes are so dramatic, I'm gonna go in with just like a nude color for my lips with the Milani Matte Lip Cream in Adorable number 10. Alright. Ooh! I love the look. It looks so cute. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and just spray my face. Rose water, just so good. I'm gonna go ahead and straighten my hair really quick. Alright guys, hair is nice and straight. Before I end this video, let me show you guys my Toy Story shirt with this makeup look. Alright, let me back up so you guys can see my shirt. I am such a big kid. I love Toy Story. But yeah, this is my final look. So you guys already know, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video, which will be my birthday vlog weekend. Alright, but have a great weekend guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!